This video I'm going to be going over what is open source hardware. Open hardware or open source hardware refers to the design specifications of a physical object which are licensed in such a way that said object can be studied, modified, created, and distributed by anyone. Open source hardware are physical objects that can be published and made available to the public under specific hardware license. What does open source hardware license require for it to be considered an open source hardware license? And you can actually go to this OSHWA. I'm pretty sure it's whatever. Pretty sure it has something to do with open source nonsense, and it actually defines what a license needs to have and not have for it to be an open source hardware license. You can read that. It's actually pretty technical, so I'm not going to bother reading it. Is open source hardware in the public domain? No, there are restrictions. There are some restrictions with an open source hardware license, mostly that you have to give attribution to the original creator of the hardware. So there you go. That is what open source hardware means.